In this video, on Cartoon SFX has HB Cartoon, Pop and Big Snap with Boing, HB Cartoon, Wacky Spin with Drum, Horta Cartoon, Violin Scrape, heard in a high pitch. HB Fall Cartoon Hoyt's Long Follow 2, heard in a low pitch. Hollywood Descending Stretch, CRT 046003, heard in a low pitch. Sound Ideas Boing Cartoon Hoyt's Boing, heard when Gumball and Darwin went into the bubble gum machine. Sound Ideas Hit Cartoon Kabong, heard when the bubble gum machine pops out Jake the Dog, Jeff Hutchins Spitzik Rapid, heard when Spy vs. Spy pops up by Hollywood Gooey Splat in a high pitch. And more.